our family data. In fact, I advised him to study Tamil literature as he with resources is continuing.
Scene 4, 3 arrives.
Please have it. Thank you. Please have it. Thank you. Please have it. Thank you. Please have it. Well, Kannan, inform me how you have become Tsunami.
Tsunami 2.
I did tell. My parents wanted me to become a doctor. You know, I had been to Velanganni with my friends on December 24, 2004. Tsunami hit Velanganni. I was there at Velanganni. At that time, I profound sorrow to say that I found many victims, lot of sufferers. I visited various villages. I started helping them. Then I joined the nursing course. I qualified. From then on, I never returned to my village for a long time.
Yes, he is a nurse now and doing immaculate. She wants to be a replica of Florence Nightingale.
Wow, it's great. Florence Nightingale was a big nurse at the time of Second World War, helping the soldiers, lamp on hand. Soldiers are very happy to receive the services. Kaigil Bhiman India Karigan.
Yes, absolutely correct. You know one important thing. Many parents want their children to study and begin games. They do not consider wishes of their children.
Suganya wished to become a nurse and Kannan wanted to become a Tamil literature, but their parents wished in different way, as against their wishes and insisted but in vain. So they become Tsunami 1 and Tsunami 2. Okay. Now Suganya will be a Tsunami in nursing proportion and Kannan will be another Tsunami in Tamil literature.
The moral is, parents should not go against the wishes of their children in the field of studies. Thank you.
Thank you.
கருத்தை உங்கள் முன்னே சமர்ப்பிக்க வருகிறார்கள். கண்டுகளியுங்கள். உங்கள் கைகள் கட்டுவதற்கு மட்டுமல்ல, ஒளியை எழுப்புவதற்கும் தான்.